Welcome everyone, welcome back to Farrell's kitchen. I am going to make a drink today, guys. It is so super hot out, so I thought maybe this would be the best deal. Join me as I do this. So I got some watermelon that was in the freezer. Just gonna put them all in there. Have raspberry that's also frozen. Put it all in there. I got some orange that I had frozen with the peels on it. Put that all in there too. And this is also frozen, which is pineapple, passion fruit, mango. Catch me in the kitchen, ripping up the chicken, pumpkin in Rex dishing. No rats or mice, but they wishing because we keep it clean like a fitting. 24/7 finger licking. Food-Farrell never missing. Because if it's food, then it's Food-Farrell. Don't be rude, you get stewed cause it's Food-Farrell. Not the new Farrell, but the Now we're gonna do a taste test. It looks like ice cream. This is really good. I can't lie. That is really good. Just fruits. So there you go. Look at it. Hardly wants to come out of there. I'm gonna put this in a jar and I'm gonna put some in the freezer. Yes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This was awesome. Let me take one more taste. Look at that. It looks just like freaking ice cream, guys. Now that's gonna keep me really cool today, for sure. Thank you so much for staying here and watching. Appreciate you guys. Oh, that feels so good. Thank you again for coming back each and every time. Farrell's Kitchen is where it happens, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, I actually kept the smoothie, and then I added more water to this, and then I decided to make some drinks. Sorry, I did not have time to capture it, but it tastes just as wonderful. And I'm gonna put these in the fridge so it gets really cold, and then we will drink it up later. Again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Sorry I didn't get to capture it for you, but I appreciate you being here on my platform. Again, it's Food-Farrell. Thanks for being here. Have a good day. Thanks. Food-Farrell ever missing.